month, I was able to pull out $3,000 from the market with 83% win rate using only 2 indicators. You can see my best rate was $350 and my worst rate was $7.3. Yes, you can see all my trades here, my executions, my losses, my wins, it's all here. Now I will teach you how you can do the same, copying exactly the same setup. The first thing you want to do is head over to indicators tab, but keep in mind that whether you are trading with Thinkorswim, trading with Ninja Trader, whatever it is, these indicators are included in the all platforms. So the first indicator that we're gonna use is simple moving average. Yes, you heard it right. Click that your chart. After you add this indicator, I want you to go to settings of this SMA and change the length to 200, and the style you can do whatever you want. I want the yellow and the bold color. This is the line of 200 simple moving average. My time frame in this strategy is 1 minute. Now I want to show you the second indicator that you need. Head over to indicators tab on your platform and you will type in EMA and you will see moving average exponential. Click that your chart. After you edit, you will go to settings and change the length to 50, and you will go to style and change whichever color you want and hit the OK button. I know what you are thinking now. Oh, this is another cross up and cross down strategy. I promise you it is not. This is something different. This will change the way you look at the chart. It is so simple to use. Your losses will be so small, but you need to be patient on this strategy. This strategy has 2 rules. The first one, you need to be patient. The second one, now I want to show you in my chart. This is the Nasdaq futures. I'm trading on the 1 minute time frame. So this blue line is the 50 EMA. This yellow line is 200 SMA. In a normal scenario, most of the strategies works like this. When you get cross down, you will take a short. When you get the cross up, you will take the long, right? So this is how it works. But the problem with that strategy, sometimes in the ranging markets, you get chopped out, or sometimes you enter the trade, it's already been too late. Now we will catch the little move, but the real move. What you want to do is, let's roll the market together now. When the price closes the candle above the 50 EMA here, what you want to do is basically go here and execute a 5 contract, right? I want to buy when we cross up the EMA, and my TP will be 200 SMA. Easy as it is. So you can use 1 to 2 hour trade here, however you want, but the safest method, if you want to get the smallest losses, you will put your stop loss just under the 50 EMA. You don't want to get a solid candle closure below the 50 EMA. Now you will understand better. So we are rolling the market. We are not taking any partials on this trade, but you can see that target has been reached. I don't know if you notice something, but the beauty of this strategy is, since we are using moving averages, it is moving with the price, as you can understand from the name. So my initial target was here, but while the price moves, it's dynamically trailing my TP or stop loss. So it's moving with the price, so you can adjust on the way your take profit or your stop loss. This is the one approach you can use, and this is how I was able to pass the challenges. This is how I was able to take my payouts in the last month. The second method you can use with this strategy, let's say you entered the long here and the price touched to your TP. What you can do is you can just take off a 3 contracts here, or you're like half the size of it. And the rest of the position, you can put your stop loss at the profit. So if the price pulls back after it crosses up, you are not interested with the position. But if you want to ride the momentum, let's say you want to target this equal highs here. you can do that. So basically what you need to do is just put the stop loss in your profit and let it ride. If it works, you will make more money. If not, you will get stopped out in profit. So in this scenario, you can see that the price basically stopped out in profit. So okay, Borsa, now we got the cross down over here. How are we gonna initiate this? No. Why? Because when you get the cross down at the 50 EMA, you need to have the target. Remember, what was the target? 200 SMA line. Where is the 200 SMA line? It is above us. So this short position is not gonna happen. Easy like that. So before I finish the video, I know you have this question in your mind. Borsa, is this strategy gonna work on the gold? Is this gonna work on Bitcoin? The great news is this strategy is working on all type of markets and any time frame. So that was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, please consider watching my other videos here. And until the next time, see you soon.